Introduction to WorkBee. Today we have hands-on experience in ATL LAB. In that we used the WorkBee application. WorkBee is an online simulator for Arduino, ESP32, Raspberry Pi Pico and other microcontrollers. It allows users to design, simulate and test embedded systems projects in the web browser without using physical hardware. This platform is widely used in education, prototyping and hobby electronics. The website we use for WorkBee is https://workbee.com. For this WorkBee, no software installations needed. Real-time code execution with circuit simulation, supports Arduino, C, C++, MicroPython and more. Applications of WorkBee: educational training used in schools, colleges and online courses to teach embedded systems and microcontroller programming. Project prototyping: quickly design and test circuit ideas before actual hardware implementation. Debugging and testing: simulate logic before uploading to real devices. Collaboration and sharing: easily share projects with others via URL for peer review or group work. Workshops and demonstrations: idle for online teaching and live demos without needing physical components.